Hi friends, it's Danielle with Take Care Mama, and today for you I have my June Essential Rewards unboxing. Really quickly before we get started, I am running a big promo in June, so just a little bit of time left. When you become a member with me, grab your premium starter kit, enroll in Essential Rewards, I'm going to send you a $25 credit to your account. You can use it tomorrow, you can use it in a year, and buy something special. So see info below or message me on Instagram at takecaremama, one word, and we can chat more. Okay, this is a fun little haul. First of all, I got their new-ish mascara. This came out a few months ago. I love the Savvy Minerals line, and I had gotten their older mascara probably in February, and I like this one much better. I liked the other one more than I thought I would, but this is definitely better. So I got the volumizing. There's volumizing and lengthening, and it's nice and thick, and this is what this looks like. The older one that I got had a really thin wand, or this is not, what is this called? Spool? I don't know. I like this a lot. I'm wearing it right now. I love this line mainly because it's a clean option. I don't want a ton of chemicals, especially so close to my eyes. Okay, then I got actually 3 of these Luscious Lemon hand soaps. Comes with a little pump. I am so excited. It smells really good, you guys. So this is their foaming hand soap. This scent is also relatively new. I currently have the Thieves foaming hand soap everywhere, and I love it. I have really dry skin, and every winter I just get like red sores on my skin. And ever since I switched to the Thieves or the Young Living hand soap, that has gone away. I didn't have it once this winter. And I personally love the Thieves smell all year round. It smells kind of Christmassy, but I love it all year round. But this is great for the summer. So I'm excited to kind of switch it out for the summer. And then I'm gonna buy, they have refills, so you don't have to keep buying these little small bottles. I'm gonna buy the refill because I already can tell that I'm gonna want more. So I got 3 of those. 2 of these bad boys, they're Thieves laundry soap. If you are wanting to change a couple things in your home to be a little more healthy and reduce the chemical load, I think laundry detergent is such a good place to start. The stuff in regular conventional laundry detergent is banned in most countries, and this is just such a clean, good version. It works so well. Weak cloth diaper. I was not expecting this to be effective on our cloth diapers. This is like, it's so small. And this is a cap, but I have an HE washer, I think that's what it's called. I use a quarter of this cap every time. So this lasts a long time, and I got 2 of them, so I am set for a while. Citronella was a freebie this month. Citronella is a great natural insect repellent. We have a lot of mosquitoes in Minnesota, so this comes at the perfect time, and I will link my video from last summer where I make a DIY bug spray. It's mainly citronella, some other oils, and you can really play around with it and use whatever you have, and it's really nice. Really nice and effective. I think that's everything I got, but Philip, my husband, is on the program too, and this month he got another bottle of the CBD oil. He gets the Cool Mint, and he really likes it. To be perfectly honest, I am still breastfeeding, and I just keep forgetting to do my own research and see if I'm comfortable taking it. So I don't have a lot of experience with CBD oil. I mean, CBD oil has been all the rage for a few years, but it's not a regulated industry, and that made me a little bit nervous. I really trust Young Living standards, and they came out with this line maybe a year ago or 2 years ago. What's really cool is they actually purchased this company that has been in the CBD space for years and years. They're experts, and so Young Living trusted them. They approved of their standards, how they treat the land, and then Young Living infuses some of their essential oils in here. So I'm super comfortable with this product. With that being said, I was pregnant, I think, when it came out, and now I'm breastfeeding, so I just haven't played around with it yet. But Philip likes it. Here it is. And then Phil has been on the Essential Reward program for 3 months now, and when that happens, you get a free 5 ml of peppermint. In the summer, I like peppermint for its cooling effect. So on a hot summer day, if I'm feeling really warm, I'll put some on the back of my neck. It has that cooling effect, great for head tension. Put some in the toilet bowl between cleanings. It's very energizing. My friend Erin is working out a lot lately, and she asked me for oils that can assist your workout, and I said peppermint before a workout is really energizing and can get you going. So peppermint. That is my order. Pretty small this month, but a lot of great things. That laundry detergent is clutch in our household, so I'm glad to put those bottles into my laundry room. Let me know if you have any questions, and again, I'd love to have you start your oily journey with me. I'll be there to hold your hand, pick up your kit, and I will send you a $25 credit, and I'm really excited to chat with you and decide what product you're gonna buy with it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Take care.